Hello everyone, today I've come with another delicious recipe, that is the chicken hummus wrap. It's very tasty and very easy to make. Firstly, I'm cooking the soaked chickpeas and adding some salt for around 20 minutes till it becomes soft. Meanwhile, in another pan, I'm roasting the sesame seeds and the cumin seeds nicely and keeping it aside. After 20 minutes, the chickpeas has nicely cooked. It seems like the skin is coming out of it. Now drain and keep it aside. Meanwhile, in a food processor or high powered blender, combine the garlic and the roasted sesame and cumin seeds. Grind it and then add the chickpeas. Blend until the mixture is thick and creamy. Scrape down the sesame seeds stuck to the sides or the bottom as like necessary. You can add some water if required, and the hummus is done. Keep it aside. Now I am frying some chicken nuggets for the crunchiness. You can even add the normal boiled shredded chicken for the wrap. While the chicken is frying ahead, I am cutting some veggies. Right now I am adding onions, tomatoes and some carrots and some lettuce leaf. You can add any vegetables or you can even skip the chicken as well. Now the thing I love most about this, the sandwich, that it can be modified and adapted in so many ways. Now we have to cook this wrap which I have store bought. It's just 1 minute cooking is needed. These wraps are easy to make and it's so incredibly delicious. I hope you find this recipe helpful and delicious. Feel free to do any modifications, depends upon the availability of vegetables or things at your home. So cooking the wrap is also done. Now we have to cut the chicken into large chunks. That is also keep it aside. I have taken some mayonnaise also. Now let's assemble by adding a thick layer of homemade hummus, which is really healthy and tasty. And now adding some mayonnaise. If you don't like mayonnaise, don't add. Spread some salt and pepper if required. Now I'm keeping the lettuce leaves. Red and green lettuce I have taken. After this, I'll be adding the chicken and the vegetables. You can add any vegetables as I said earlier. It is really a filling and satisfying recipe. Wrap up the sides of the tortilla like you would do for a burrito and enclose the filling and enjoy. I'm just fixing it with a toothpick. Hummus is really easy to make at home and it can be stored for a week in a refrigerator in an airtight container. So do try out. This is perfect for a lunch or a dinner or even a snack. So do try out. Hope you like this video. So please subscribe my channel and thanks for watching.